Hello guys, Noor here. So Samsung just launched a new monitor lineup under name Samsung ViewFinity S8. It's a 4K monitor made for content creators and professionals who require color accuracy and flexibility to get their work done as efficiently as possible. This monitor is high-end lineup with 27-inch S61B and 32 inches S80PB sizes and 4K resolutions. These monitors will be available today in South Korea at around $558 for the 27 inches and $635 for the 32 inches. And for other markets, Samsung hasn't revealed launch dates and pricing. These monitors have color accuracy with plenty of ports. Both use IPS LCD panel and offer 1000:1 ratio and 5 milliseconds gray-to-gray response time. Also, they can cover up to 98% of the DCI P3 color gamut and support up to 1.07 billion colors. Also come with HDR10 Plus compatibility. The 27-inch variant has display HDR 400 certification, while the 32 inches version has display HDR 600 certification. Both models have one HDMI 2.0 port, one display port, one Ethernet port, one USB Type-C port, and USB 3.0 hub with 3 downstream ports. That USB-C port supports up to 90-watt USB power delivery to charge connected laptops, tablets, or smartphones. These monitors have a height adjustable stand that can tilt, swivel, and pivot the screen. You can attach the ViewFinity S8 to a wall or your own monitor arm, thanks to VESA 100x100 mount. Samsung also says that it used repurposed materials made from ocean-bound plastics to make some parts of the monitor. The ViewFinity S8 lineup uses a matte finish on the display panel for a glare-free viewing experience. And the monitors in the new series have UL certification for anti-glare performance. They are also Pantone validated and Pantone skin tone validated for color accuracy. Samsung also has implemented technologies that make the monitor flicker-free and reduce blue light. That's it for today guys. Let me know your opinions about the monitor in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.